Welcome. If you're looking to share a community link on X, formerly known as Twitter, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to easily share community links with your friends or followers. Communities on X are a great way to connect with like-minded individuals, and sharing these links can help grow your network. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the community you want to share. You can do this by either searching for the community in the search bar or finding it in your feed. Once you're in the desired community, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the page. These dots represent the menu options for that community. Go ahead and tap on them to open up the menu. In the menu that appears, you'll see several options related to the community. Look for the option that says Share and give it a tap. This will allow you to choose how you want to share the community link. You might see options like sharing it via direct message, email, or through other social media platforms. After tapping Share, you can select your preferred method of sharing. If you want to copy the link to your clipboard for later use, simply choose the appropriate option. This makes it easy to paste the link wherever you want, be it in a group chat, a tweet, or a post on another platform. And just like that, you've successfully shared a community link on X. This simple process helps you connect with others and invite them to join discussions that matter to you. So, whether you're sharing your favorite community or promoting one you're passionate about, you're now equipped to spread the word. Happy sharing!